All right, 10-4 is all about solving equations with radicals in them. Honestly, you could try these on your own. I'm going to do the first one, and then I'm going to ask you to pause it and see what you can do. It says equations that contain variables in the radicand, like this, are called radical equations. So for the first one, I want to get a by itself. By isolating the variable, I subtract 11. I want a by itself. The inverse of square rooting is to square both sides. A is 100. Okay, next equation. Everything's under the radicand, so you got to deal with the radicand first. So p minus 3 equals 36. Add 3 to both sides, and it's 39. So this one you had to subtract and then square. This one you have to square and then add. Okay, another situation, when they're on both sides, three squared is 9. Squaring square root is 2. If you wouldn't have been able to do this, then just put this in the calculator and you get 18. You have to add 8 first. Then divide by 2. The radicand comes next. And then add. It says squaring one side of an equation sometimes produces a solution that is not a solution of the original equation. These are called extraneous, meaning I found a solution but it doesn't work, and you might get those here. We're going to have to do what we did in chapter 8 and just bring everything to one side, bring it over, bring it over. Then we factor to solve. What multiplies to negative 3, it adds to negative 2. N equals 3, n equals negative 1. Okay, try the next one if you can. Is cancel each other out. T times t is t squared. T times 3 is 3t. 3 times t is 3t. 3 times 3 is 9. And I combine like terms. Try the same thing you did here. right? So like we said, we might get what's called extraneous solutions, solutions that don't work. If I plug 3 in, will it work? Yes. If I plug -1 in, will it work? No, because I can't be equal to a negative. So only 3 works. Same thing over here, not because they're both negative, but if I put -1 in here, it's small enough that we get a positive result. So this one works. This one, however, when we put that one in, it's too big. It overpowers this 3 and makes the result negative. So not that it's a negative, but that the result is negative. So no. Same with this one and this one.